Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are diving into Material UI, or MUI as it's often called. It's a toolkit that makes a huge promise, letting you build professional, great-looking React apps way faster than you thought possible. If you've ever just stared at a blank project, wondering how on earth you're going to build a beautiful and consistent UI, you're going to want to stick around for this.
So, have you ever been there? You kick off a brand new project, you're excited, and then you're just facing that blank screen. You know you need buttons, forms, navigation, a whole user interface. But the thought of building every single one of those little pieces from scratch, it can be pretty intimidating.
Because all of a sudden, you're not just a developer, you're a designer, right? You're juggling design consistency across the whole app, you're making sure everything looks great on a phone and a giant monitor, and you're trying to do it all fast. That is a ton of work before you even get to write the code that makes your app special. But what if you didn't have to reinvent the wheel every single time? Well, that's exactly the promise of Material UI. So here's our game plan. We're going to cover what MUI is, what its core building blocks are, how you can make it look like your brand, how to build real layouts with it, and then wrap up with some really important best practices. Okay, so let's get into it. What is Material UI, really? And how did it become this go-to choice for developers building everything from scrappy startups to huge, complex enterprise applications? At its heart, MUI is a massive library of pre-built, high-quality, and seriously battle-tested React components. The best way to think about it is like a professional set of Lego bricks for your web app. Instead of having to mold the plastic for every single button, form field, and navigation bar yourself, you get to just use these ready-made pieces that are guaranteed to fit together perfectly. And why do people love it so much? Well, it really boils down to a few key things. You can build interfaces incredibly fast. Everything looks polished and professional right out of the box. It's totally customizable. The documentation and community support are fantastic. And this one is absolutely critical. Accessibility is baked in from the start, which is a huge, huge win. And these aren't just a random collection of components. They're all guided by Google's material design philosophy. This means the UI elements are actually designed to feel tangible, almost like they're physical objects on your screen. The visuals are bold and intentional, animations are used to guide you and provide meaning, and the whole system just adapts beautifully to whatever screen size you throw at it. All right, so with that design philosophy in mind, what are the actual building blocks you get to play with? MUI is absolutely packed with components, so let's pop the hood and do a quick tour of the main categories you'll be working with day to day. First up, we've got inputs. This is how your users actually interact with your app. And you get everything you'd expect, like a button and a text field, but it goes all the way up to a super powerful autocomplete component. That component alone can literally save you days of work trying to build a complex search as you type field from scratch. Next up, navigation. So how do your users get around? Well, MUI has you covered with components like the app bar, that's your classic top navigation bar, the drawer for those slide-out side menus, and tabs for organizing content. These are basically the signposts for your entire application. And the sheer breadth of this toolkit is just so impressive. You get layout components like grid and stack to structure all your pages. You get data display components like table and card to present information cleanly, and you get feedback components like alerts and dialogues to communicate with the user. It's the whole shebang. It really is a complete system. Okay, but a great component library isn't just about having all the pieces, right? It's about being able to make them your own. So how do you take all these standard-looking components and make them fit your unique brand and style? MAUI gives you two main ways to apply styles. For those quick one-off tweaks, the SX prop is your best friend. Think of it like a surgeon's scalpel for making really targeted little changes. But when you need to build a truly custom, reusable component that you're going to use all over your app, the Styled API is like your heavy-duty workshop for building something entirely new. But here is the real power play. You don't have to style components one by one by one. The absolute core of MUI's customization is the theme. Just think of it as a central rulebook for your app's entire visual identity. It's the single source of truth for your colors, your fonts, your spacing, everything. And inside this theme object, you define it all. Your color palette, primary, secondary, air colors. Your typography, all the font sizes and weights. Your spacing units, your responsive breakpoints. So if you need to change your main brand color, you change it in one place, and boom, every single component in your entire app updates instantly. It is an incredibly powerful way to enforce consistency.
Okay, so we have the components and we have the styling engine. That's great. But how do we actually put all these pieces together to build something real? Something like a professional dashboard layout that you see in pretty much every big web app?
Well, it's actually way more straightforward than you might think. You'd probably start with a drawer component for that main sidebar navigation. Then, you'd pop an app bar right at the top for things like a search bar or a user profile. And finally, you'd use a combination of the grid and card components to create that flexible, responsive content area for all your charts, tables, and data. And really, that's the key takeaway right here. With just a few of these core components, you can assemble the entire skeleton of a professional, modern web application. This exact structure, I guarantee it, is the foundation for countless real-world products you use every day. So, now that we know how to build with MUI, let's talk about how to build well with MUI. We're going to cover a few essential best practices and help you figure out when MUI is the perfect choice for your next project. Choosing the right UI library always depends on what you're building. MUI really, really shines for those big enterprise-level apps, dashboards, and internal admin tools, anywhere you need a huge set of robust components that just work. If you need a completely unique, from-scratch design, maybe something like Tailwind is a better fit. But for speed and consistency in complex apps, MUI is tough to beat. Okay, here is a crucial pro tip. Whatever you do, never hard-code values like color codes directly in your components. Always, always reference your themes palette. So instead of typing out a hex code, you use primary.main. Why? Because when your brand color eventually changes, you only have to update it in one place, the theme, and your whole app just follows suit. It's future-proofing your code. And another one for layout, try to resist the urge to nest grid components inside of other grid components over and over again. For simple vertical or horizontal layouts, like a list of items, the stack component is so much simpler, easier to read, and it's actually more performant. It's all about using the right tool for the job. So let's just bring it all home. What's the bottom line here? MUI is a powerful toolkit for building professional UIs and building them fast. It enforces consistency through a world-class design system, but it gives you total creative control with its theming engine, and really, it just saves you from reinventing the wheel so you can focus on what actually makes your app special and unique. Which really just leaves us with one final question. As you start thinking about your next project, whether that's a dashboard, an admin panel, or a full-blown software-as-a-service application, think about the speed, the consistency, and the power that we just walked through. Is Material UI the right toolkit to bring your next big idea to life?